Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to hop on and give you guys an update of our room that we have for our craft stuff. Still working on it. We've got a lot more stuff to put in here. We're going to stretch it out a little bit, make it bigger, but we got more painting and clearing out to do before we can do that. So there is our painting supplies, got our Mod Podge, our alcohol wipes, the alcohol up there, paint stuff. Good. See, it's pretty good. I've got to get a box for my circuit stuff. Those are my boards that I have. So I've got those in there. Pretty soon we'll get a nice storage container for those. This is just our hodgepodge. We do our paper crafting on here. My circuit. We were dyeing some papers yesterday and the day before. They're still drying. We'll have to do a tutorial on those. So for our journals. And then underneath we have our crafting paper. Got some bins down there. Got my rice that I make my heating pads out of. Another storage bin. I've got my circuit roller for my paper under there. We have our box of stuff that needs to be taken to the store and for our next craft show. This is just a hodgepodge of, we've got everything in here. So we've got our sewing stuff, scissors, sewing machine stuff, glue gun, you name it's in there. Rulers. This is more of our paper product stuff. She's got her press up there. And this is all full of embellishments and paper stuff. Her ribbons that we use for the junk journals. This table we're still working on. We're going to be using it for our paper products eventually here. Just stuff that we haven't. My computer. There's our journals that are just the shells. We've got to get those done. Scrap fabric that we haven't decided what we're going to do with yet. We just pulled this over here. This is going to be our fabric sewing holder. And I still have 3 more bins of fabric I gotta roll. We're putting them on cardboard and rolling them up so we see what we have. We have a lot of fabric. Gotta get sewing, huh? Up here we have some more paper stuff. And just odds and ends. Here's the sewing table. So there's my sewing machine. I got the serger back there. And this is where I'm going to be cutting. So that's about it for right now. We're still working on it. Still putting it together. We'll keep you guys updated on our progress. So that's what we got. See, we're working on putting the fabric in our hutch, but it's a long process. I didn't think we had that much fabric, but guess not. When you're a crafter, you have lots of paper and fabric. All right, guys, have a good night. We will see you next time, and have a good night. Have a good weekend. Please like and subscribe. All right, guys, we'll see you later.